Geography class 12th, NCERT chapter number 11, population distribution, density, growth and composition. First heading, distribution of population. Distribution of population means how population is distributed in any given area. In India, spatial pattern of population distribution is very uneven, as some areas are sparsely populated whereas others are dense. These status can be categorized into three categories. First point, status state with high population. Uttar Pradesh in bracket highest population, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. These states together account for 76% of population. Second point, states with moderate population. Assam, Haryana, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Punjab and Goa. Third, states with low population. Hilly and tribal areas like Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and all northeastern states in bracket except Assam and bracket close and union territories excluding Delhi. Heading, density of population. Population density means number of person living in per unit area according to 2011 census. In India, 382 person live in per square kilometer of area. Over the last 50 years, the population density has recorded an increase of about 260 persons per square kilometer as ranging from 117 persons per square kilometer in 1951 to 382 persons per square kilometer in 2011. Heading, spatial pattern of population density in India. A special pattern of population density is also uneven in India. For example, first point, states, union territories having high density of population. States Bihar in bracket 1106 highest, bracket close, West Bengal 1028, Kerala 860, Uttar Pradesh 829. Union territories Delhi 11,320, Chandigarh 9,258. Next point, states, union territories having moderate density of population. Haryana 573, Tamil Nadu 555, Punjab 551, Jharkhand 414, Assam 398, Goa 394, Maharashtra 365, Tripura 350. Union territories Dadra and Nagar Haveli 700. Heading, states union territories having low density of population. It's a point. States Arunachal Pradesh 17 lowest, Mizoram 52, Jammu and Kashmir 56, Sikkim 86, Nagaland 119. Union territories Andaman and Nicobar Island 46 lowest. Heading, growth of population. Growth of population refers to the changes occurring in the number of persons living in a particular area between 2 points of time. Its rate is expressed in percentage. Two components in population growth AF as follows. First, point natural growth. It means the change occurring by the birth and deaths in any area. Next point, induced growth. It means the changes occurred by the volume of inward and outward movement in an area. Next heading, phases of population growth. There are four different phases of population growth. First phase in bracket 1901 to 1921. 19 phase 1 1901 to 1921. It is stagnant or stationary phase because of very low growth rate. Second, 1921 to 1951. It is the period of steady population growth. Phase 3, 1951 to 1981. This period is known as the period of population explosion in India. Rapid fall in death rate and high fertility rate were the main causes of this explosion. Phase 4, post 1981 till present. Growth rate has started down gradually because of downward trend in birth rate. But in developing countries like India, growth rate is still high. According to World Development Report, by 2025, Indian population will surpass the figure of 1,350 million. Heading, regional variation in population growth. The spatial pattern of population growth in India is very uneven. It ranges from minus 0.58% in bracket negative in Nagaland to 55.88% in Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Heading, states / union territories having high growth rate of population. States: Meghalaya 27.95%, Arunachal Pradesh 26.03%, Bihar 25.42%, Manipur 24.50%, Jammu and Kashmir 23.64%. Union territories: Dadra and Nagar Haveli 55.88%, Daman and Diu 53.76%, Pondicherry 28.08%. Moderate growth of population: Chhattisgarh 22.61%, Jharkhand 22.42%, Rajasthan 21.31%, Madhya Pradesh 20.35%, Uttar Pradesh 20.23%. Low growth rate of population: states: Nagaland minus 0.58%, Kerala 4.91%, Goa 8.23%, Andhra Pradesh 10.98%. Union territories: Lakshadweep 6.30%, Andaman and Nicobar Island 6.86%. Heading, growth of adolescent population. The United Nations considered person age 10 to 19 years as adolescent population. Since 1971, the proportion of adolescent population has remained around 21%. The decadal growth rate of adolescent population of India is 12.5% as per census 2011. India is on 4th place in adolescent population in bracket 10 to 19 years bracket close after Pakistan, Nigeria and Bangladesh. Adolescent population has increased from 95 million in 1961 to 253.2 million in 2011. Sex ratio of adolescent population of India is 898 females per 1000 males. The government of India has taken many steps by some policies like National Youth Policy 2003 for channelization and proper utilization of adolescents by giving them proper education. Heading Population Composition. It is detailed analysis of age and sex, place of residence, ethnic characteristics, tribes, languages, regional, martial status, literacy and education, occupational characteristics, etc. in population geography. Heading Rural-Urban Composition. In India, it's 68.84% of total population lives in rural villages by 2011. According to Census 2011, India has 6,40,867 villages. Percentage of rural population is high in Himachal Pradesh, in bracket 89.97%, and Bihar 88.71%, and low in Goa 37.83%, and Mizoram 47.89%, and Delhi has least rural population 2.50%. Heading Rural Population in India states a moderate proportion of rural population. Heading Status having moderate proportion of rural population. Meghalaya 79.93%, Uttar Pradesh 77.73%, Arunachal Pradesh 77.06%, Chhattisgarh 76.76%, Jharkhand 75.95%. Heading States having low proportion of rural population. States: Goa 37.83%, Mizoram 47.89%, Tamil Nadu 51.60%, Kerala 52.30%. Union Territories: Delhi 2.50%, Chandigarh 2.75%. Heading Urban Population in Indian states. Regions having high degree of urbanization. States: Goa 62.17%, Mizoram 52.11%, Tamil Nadu 48.40%, Kerala 47.70%. Union Territories: Delhi 97.50%, Chandigarh 97.25%, Lakshadweep 78.07%. Heading Regions having low degree of urbanization. Himachal Pradesh 10.03%, Bihar 11.29%, Assam 14.10%, Odisha 16.69%, Meghalaya 20.07%. Heading Linguistic Composition. India is a land of linguistic diversity. According to Grierson in bracket Linguistic Survey of India 1903 to 1928 bracket close, there were 179 languages and as many as 544 dialects in India, but now there are 22 scheduled languages and number of non-scheduled languages. Heading Linguistic Classification. The speakers of major Indian language belong to 4 language families, which have their subfamilies and branches or groups. Family: first, Austric in bracket Nishad 1.38%. Second, Dravidian bracket Dravida 20%. Third, Sino-Tibetan in bracket Kirta 0.85%. Fourth, Indo-European (Aryan) 73%. Heading religious compositions. All India region census data 2011. All religion. Hindu 79.80%, estimated 96.62 crores. Muslim 14.23%, estimated 17.22 crores. Christian 2.30%, estimated 2.78 crores. Sikh 1.72%, 2.808 crores. Buddhist 0.70%, 84.43 lakhs. Jain 0.37%, 44.52 lakhs. Other religion 0.66%, 79.38 lakhs. Not stated 0.24, 28.67 lakhs. Heading composition of working population. The proportion of working population to total population is called work participation rate. The population of India according to their economic status is divided into three groups like main workers, a person who works at least 183 days in a year. Second, marginal workers, a person who works for less than 183 days in a year. Third, non-workers, a person who does not work and depends upon working class. According to 2011 census, it is observed that the proportion of workers (both main and marginal) is only 39.8%, leaving a vast majority of about 60% as non-workers. Heading occupational categories. The 2011 census has divided the working population of India into four major categories. First, cultivators. Second, agricultural laborers 54.6%. Third, household laborers 33.8%. Fourth, other workers 41.6%. Here chapter number 11 is completed.